Losing your window lock keys can be a total hassle, but replacing the lock hardware doesn't have to be a nightmare if you know what you're doing. So, first up, don't panic and try to force the lock open because that can mess up your window frame or the lock itself. Instead, figure out what type of lock you have. There are tons out there, like sash locks or cam locks, and knowing this makes shopping for a replacement way easier. Next, grab some basic tools like a screwdriver and maybe some pliers, nothing fancy needed. If you're not sure which part to buy, take the old lock, if you still have it, or a photo to the hardware store for help. When installing, line up the new lock exactly where the old one was. Usually, it just screws right in. Tighten everything snug, but don't go overboard or you could strip the screws or crack the window frame. Test the new lock a few times before calling it done to make sure it's smooth and secure. And if you hit a snag or the lock looks weirdly different, don't hesitate to ask for help from a pro or check online tutorials that match your exact window type. One of the biggest issues with missing window lock keys is trying to pick or force the lock, which often damages the hardware and ends up costing more to fix. So swapping out the whole lock is usually smarter. Another common mistake is buying the wrong replacement lock that doesn't fit your window style or size. Always measure first or bring your old lock with you for reference. The third problem is improper installation, like over-tightening screws or misaligning the lock, which makes it not work right and can even damage your window frame. Take your time and double-check alignment before tightening everything down. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trustworthy local contractors who actually know their stuff when it comes to home repairs like this. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid spot to connect with people looking for help on projects, so you can get more work without all the extra hassle.